Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can privatize your Twitter account, which means you can make your tweets private, wherein only the persons who follow you or the accounts that follow you will be able to view your tweets. And I'll show you this how you can do this on an iPhone, so make sure you follow through. So the first thing you're going to do is open up Twitter and log in into your account. Once you've done that, just click on the top left corner to go into your profile. Under here, click on settings and support, click on settings and privacy, and once you're here, click on the privacy and safety option. Under here, click on audience and tagging, and once you're here, you will see an option where it says protect your tweets, and it also reads the description wherein it says only shows your tweets to people who follow you. If selected, you will need to approve new follower. It's basically like an Instagram private account. It is pretty nice, and yeah, make sure that you check this option if you want to make your Twitter account private. Once you've done that, only people who follow you will be able to view your tweets. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can protect your Twitter account, or in other words, make your Twitter account private. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.